guys, so welcome to another video. Today I am gonna be trying a viral TikTok, YouTube short, reel, anything, recipe, and this is chili oil ramen, I guess. I don't know if it's I think it is, okay? And I don't think it's exactly chili oil, but it's like a viral ramen recipe. But yeah, I'm gonna try that, and I don't know. Let's see the video first. Let's see which video that I'm like talking about. So I'm gonna show you that right now. So the video that I'm talking about is this one right here. As you can see, she makes ramen in another way. This is like shin ramen, I guess, and she makes it in a different way than it's normally made. Now for me, I've never had shin ramen as it should be, so like, I don't know. So I'm kind of scared because this is gonna be my dinner. Because no one's home. I'm the only one who's home. This is gonna be my dinner. And if it's not good, then I'm doomed. I need to start from scratch again. So, yeah. I'm scared. I'm really scared. Okay, I'm gonna go and start cooking. Okay, so I have a pan on the stove, and the first thing I'm gonna do is wait for it to get a little bit hot, and then I am gonna slowly start adding in water. Mind you, it's just only a little hot, and this is to cook the ramen. So I'm gonna wait for this water to boil. Now that the water is boiling, I am gonna add the ramen biscuit. I don't know, what do you call it? Whatever you call it, the ramen and the little crumbs into the water so that it can cook. And these ramen look like really different. The color is different from the normal instant noodles that we have it here. Oops. So now she put like the tastemaker into a bowl. This is the soup mix, I guess, and she only put like 2/3, so I'm gonna save the rest, and that's like 2/3. I didn't know if it was enough. And then she adds minced garlic. It was actually really hard to do that because the thing that I'm holding is like an unused cheese grater. Like, this is now used in my house to mince garlic, but I can't mince garlic. I had a really tough time mincing garlic with that. As you can see, it's not mincing properly. I don't know what mistake I did, and like in the end I was frustrated and I just cut those garlic up. Yeah, as you can see. Anyway, so the next thing that I added into it was powdered black pepper, and then some sesame seeds, I guess. Yeah, it's sesame seeds. And you can see me going for like next. Yeah, another handful. I love sesame seeds. Like, I am a hoe for sesame seeds, so I like it extra. But yeah, after the sesame seeds, I was supposed to add black vinegar, but obviously I didn't have black vinegar, so I added a little bit of soy sauce. I think it's half teaspoon, half tablespoon, I don't know. And then, yeah, this is the spice mix. Now, as she said, I added some heated oil into it, so now it's chili oil, I guess. Oh my god, I was not confident that this was gonna turn out good, because like my chili oil looks different from her chili oil. But yeah, anyway, and then you just add your noodles, I guess. That's it. And then you mix. And it took me a lot of time to mix it. Can you see those like aggressive motions with the spoon? Oh my god. I should have mixed them with chopsticks because mixing them like with chopsticks would have worked better. And I know it for a fact because I ate ramen today again. Not this one, but a different one. And it burned my insides, but I mixed the sauce with like chopsticks and it worked like faster. So this was hard. Anyway, our chili oil ramen is ready. Obviously, I didn't have chives. I didn't, make a fried egg because I don't eat egg. So, yeah. This is our chili oil ramen finished product, and I'm still mixing it because the spice mix got clumped up with the oil. Oh my god. This is so funny to watch while editing. This is like crack. Look at me trying to declump it. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna stop showing you guys this. So yeah, let's try. I didn't add eggs obviously because I don't eat egg. So yeah. Okay. And don't judge my chopstick skills. I'm pretty new at it, so you guys are probably judging me right now. But here goes nothing. Let's see if it tastes as good as the hype is. This is Chilli Oil Ramen, so yeah. It does taste good. It tastes so good. Oh my god. What is it? It tastes really good. Oh my god. You guys should try it. I mean, I don't know if it will turn out like, this with the other noodles, but if you can get your hands on this noodle, this ramen, buy it and make it this way. This is so good. Tastes so good. Probably tastes a little less spicier with the egg because of the yolk, and that she had like fried egg. So when she bursts that yolk, it will probably taste like, like less spicy because of the yolk. So that's why I feel it's spicy, but it's good spicy. I like spicy and this is good. So yeah, this was a success. It does live up to its hype. Good. Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy this. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Like, if you can get your hands on this, try it. It's available online. If you can buy it, try it. It's really good. I think now I have to try it in the way it should be, like, the actual way to cook that. I think I should try that too. Maybe I will, but this was a really great experience. I was really scared that it won't turn out good, but it did. So, thank God. Yeah, and what was I gonna say? I'm in half sleep, okay? I just slept and then woke up just to edit. So, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, and as I said while I was editing, I just ate another type of ramen today, and it literally burned my insides. I was in a real bad condition for like
hours. That's why I had to sleep. I like inhaled cold water so much because of all the burning. But if like it was a good experience, I would never eat it again because I know. But yeah. Like this video, subscribe, and comment down below if you want to see anything like this, like more like this. So yeah, bye. I'm still sleepy.